Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we're actually going to learn how to make a bridal fan with fur. Okay, so this is actually how the whole process is going to be like. At the end of the day, this is what we're expecting to get. Okay, so stay tuned and enjoy. Kisses. So these are basically the materials you will be needing. You would need your chalk and then you would need your tape measure, but you can decide to go away with that if you can, but if you have it, why not just use it. This is also our main product that is actually going to help us achieve that. Okay, so you would need your fur. This is actually how it comes in all Ghanaian markets. Let me clean up the messes so that we can actually start working. Okay, so you actually get your bridal fan base. This is actually how it looks like on our Ghanaian markets, the circular type. There are different type of the base, so this is actually what I did. In my previous video I actually did the one that is semicircle, so you can actually, I'll be leaving the description in, I'll be leaving the link in the description, sorry, so you can actually check up on that video too. So I'm actually marking it as 1.5 inches. Okay, so I'm going around it in a circular motion. So that is what I'm actually doing. So I'm actually moving by 1.5 inch from the tip of the base. Okay, so I'm actually also moving around with this, the 1.5. So with here I'm actually joining all the marks that I've actually done on the base to make it a bit easier for me to move to the other step. So with the second step I'm actually moving by that same 1.5, yes, to just have that consistent effect on it. You can this to go by 2, I think 2 also will be fine, yes, but I chose to do it at 1.5. so I actually had the second circle, and I'm finally going to be using my glue gun. With this glue gun I actually had the yellow in it, the yellow glue in it, and I actually wanted to work around with white because the fur is completely white, the base is white, so I didn't want to use any other color that would actually mess it up. Okay, so I'm actually clearing all the yellow glue that is actually in the glue gun, okay, so that it can have that white effect in it and not have any traces of yellow glue in it. Okay, so basically that was what I was doing. Okay, so that is it. I make sure I actually don't spoil my machine. That was why I actually added that cover on the machine. Okay, so here I actually have my third base. Okay, my third base is what I'm actually drawing. So this is actually how it is looking like. Okay, that circular motion, this is actually how it's looking. Comment section. If you have any other question, please ask me in the comment section. I will be super excited to reply you as soon as I see the message. Okay, so do not hesitate. I also will be leaving all my social media handles in my description so that you can actually send me a message or have any form of access to me when you want to actually access me in person. I would be leaving my WhatsApp link also in my description. Okay, so here this is the process you're actually going about. Okay, yeah, with that side actually got to stick on the glue. Yeah, so actually removed it and we are going on. So we're applying the glue on the base and moving forward as you want to go. Okay, so this is the whole process, and I hope it is very explanatory and very understandable. So stay tuned and enjoy. So we are finally going to move into the second lane. Okay, so with this second lane, I make sure I cut the feathers into smaller sections, more than the first base, so that I could actually have the effect that I wanted. So the more the circle becomes smaller, the smaller you cut your feathers, and it would give you a perfect result. So with this section, I actually made sure I used the lace that actually was working around to make the person's bridal fun. The person would actually be wearing a lace, sequence lace, so I actually made sure I apply the same thing here so that I could actually give it that effect for it to connect to the person's dress. Since I'm the same person